Relax that shoulder. There we go. This portion of your spine is kind of what we call the knife edge. Good. There we go. Good on your back. Hey guys, Dr. Luke Stringer here, Advanced Health Chiropractic down in Cyber Chicago, and we're here with Dr. Brian Vear, our head associate doctor. Obviously Dr. Vear is a chiropractor, as am I, hence why we're doing the video. But Dr. Vear works extremely hard, treating patients' spines, over 200 visits a week. Obviously that takes its toll on the body, so Dr. Vear and myself and Dr. Leahy, our other associate doctor, and all the team here, we're on a regular adjustment plan. Make sure those joints are in alignment and moving well, so there's less stress on the nervous system. So any adjustment we perform, consult, exam, x-rays, those clinical findings dictate the type of adjustment. So Dr. Vear, let's get it. All right, change this out. Now you can bring it over, because they can chop the video up. We like to use the ortho stim here at the clinic. The ortho stim, this allows us to put some movement into the joint. Movement in the joint wakes up muscle spindles, pick up on movements, how we communicate with the brain. Also keeps this side joint. Dr. Vear is quite hypo or kyphotic in his upper back. So we like to adjust this portion of his spine as kind of what we call the knife edge. Good. Right in his mid-tees. Good. Really locked up in that TL today, Doc. There we go. It's always nice for the patient to give you some feedback. Relax that shoulder. There we go. Rotate. Alright, Doc's moving great today. Going to adjust this right hip. I like to use the drop here. Bye, Banana. Left side down.
Vacation.
Thank you. We'll get you on a video next time, Banana. Alright?
I'm going to be a star.
Exactly. Rotate. Dr. Vear is a big man, so we like to do more of a pull adjustment.
Oh, nice.
Moving great. Shoulder. Rotate through here. There we go. Good on your back. We're going to just Dr. Vear. He likes to say up top, C1. We're going to drive right in to C1. Good. And into his mid-circles. Nice job. Good adjustment. Alrighty. Come around. Alright guys, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. It's on Facebook or Instagram, like, follow the page, and we'll see you on your next video.